guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hello, thank you so much for joining the family. In today's video, we have another unit from Luvme Hair. Thank you so much to Luvme Hair for sending this one out to me. So we'll just go ahead and see what we have inside.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Alright
you guys, so this is her straight out of the pack, and this one is the classic and chic Peekaboo Ombre Brown Loose Water Wave Glueless 5x5 closure lace wig. This is her. She comes with one comb on each side in front, one comb at the back, our adjustable straps, the extra elastic band. This is what the hairline is looking like. This one is already pre-plucked. The hairline looks really good. It comes pre-plucked, knots already bleached, and it also comes parted as a middle part, but you probably can switch this one to a left or a right part because you have enough room to do that. But I'm probably going to leave her as a middle part. We'll see how that goes. So I'm just going to head right into styling, and I'll be back with my final thoughts.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams all night. Problems disappear. She could tell you the things you want to hear. She could read your mind, and that she could laugh of a little lies to tell yourself it right. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truth. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah.
Alright you guys, so this is what we have after styling, and I think she's cute. I love the color. I love, what it's giving today. I love it, you guys. And this one was super easy to style. As you guys saw, I didn't have to do too much. If you're a beginner, you're going to love this unit because this one already comes styled for you. All you have to do is just take out the lace, add your lace tint, the concealer to the pattern area, and you're good. And can we get into that lace? This one melted in with little to no effort, you guys. This is such a great unit. I love the lace on this one, and I didn't really experience any form of tangling with her, but she did shed a little bit, but it wasn't anything too crazy. Just a couple of strands came off while I was combing the curls out, and I decided to use a wide tooth comb today because I wanted to keep this curl pattern that we have going on, and I love it. And of course, the more you brush this one, you know, the fuller that it gets. I love this unit, you guys. It looks so good. And what else, you guys? If your head is bigger than my 22.5 inches head, I feel like this one might be a bit too snug for you because she does feel really snug and firm on my head. So if your head is bigger than mine, I'm not too sure that you would have, you know, wiggle room in this one. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I think I pretty much covered everything. I love this one. Lace melted in really nice, and this one is definitely recommended by me for beginners. It's super easy to style, and if you're looking for something to add to your everyday wig collection that you don't want to have to worry about too much styling, I think that's such a great choice as well. I'm going to have the direct link, every information that you need within my description box. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, join the family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.